Following the preparation of modules and lecture content, it's important to plan appropriate evaluations that support assessment for learning. As you review your module outline and content, take time to consider whether the module description, learning outcomes, indicative content, and assessments are clearly aligned. Are they consistent in their focus and use of key terms? Are they flexible, clear, and learner-centered? When this alignment is in place, any assessment that you design will be more meaningful and relevant to students' learning. Simple but important considerations include whether the assessment content and focus are clearly linked to what has been covered in lectures and whether the task feels relevant to the learning outcomes. It's also important to ask whether the assessment brief clearly outlines expectations, such as the task requirements, word count, format, and weighting. Does the expected workload of students align with the assessment weighting? Are they universally designed to accommodate learner needs? These are questions best considered at the module planning stages. Ensure that essential learner resources are available well in advance of assessment deadlines. This includes marking schemes or rubrics, relevant policies, such as guidance on the use of AI, and any supporting materials that help set clear expectations. Consider which assessment methods or digital tools will best support efficient submission, feedback, and evaluation. Where possible, build in opportunities for check-ins, questions, or formative feedback on draft assignments. Alternatively, plan mechanisms for providing meaningful, summative feedback after submission, and make students aware of these in advance. Team-based or problem-solving assessments can be particularly effective, where marks are awarded for the final product, alongside a greater weighting for individual reflection and contribution to the team process. Ultimately, it's important that students understand assessments are not just a way to award credit, but are also a powerful tool for learning.